talk about his first time, but I'ma just be real with y'all and say what's on my mind. I remember like yesterday, just a little man, had no clue, just quite didn't understand. Looked up to big bro for a little advice. He said, young bro, whatever you do, just make sure you're strapped twice. I was a little nervous about it, being my first time, but I said, what the hell, this girl is too damn fine. My very first in the house, on the couch in your parents' bedroom, remember. My very first time, day to the day, see you again, remember. My very first time, it was just as special to me as it was to you, girl. My very first time, never forget my first time. See, it was Sunday afternoon, moms and pops were gone. We had to be on the low, cause they were on their way home. We started kissing, then it led straight to the bed. I can't believe this happened, so I'm thinking in my head. Lasted like a minute, but it seemed like forever. We almost got caught, but I'm just too damn clever. My parents came home from church and I was out of there like a drop of a dime. Man, I will never forget my first time. Whoa, see you again, oh no. No matter how old we both get, no regrets, so never forget my first time. My very first time. House on that couch in your parents' bedroom. Remember, I know you remember, girl. See you again. Remember, my very first time. It was just as special to me as it was to you, girl. My very first time. I will never forget my first time. See, some of you might have started early, some of you started late, but I know when I started, man, I thought it was great. This goes out to all my little brothers in the world. Make sure your first time is with that special girl. Clap your hands if you remember your first time. Your first time. Clap your hands if you remember your first time, baby. In the house, on the couch, in your parents' bedroom. Remember, my first time was just my first time as it was to you, girl. My very first time, and I'll never forget my first time. My very first time in the house, couch, parents' bedroom. Remember, my very first time. I can't wait till the day when I see you again. Remember, my very first time. It was just as special to me as it was to you, girl. My very first time. Never forget my first time, and I will never forget